Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the most interesting, quite profitable stock, and that is Reliance Industries belonging to Mukesh Ambani. All details I'll explain with the help of slides, and probably you'll be convinced that it is one of the stocks that you need to hold in your portfolio. Different divisions of Reliance Industries, revenue and profit share. Reliance has basically four divisions. First one is oil and petrochemical, constituting to approximately 62% of the revenue, profit share around 59%. Retail revenue share is around 22%, profit share is only 10.5%. Digital services revenue share is approximately 9.5%, profit share 25.4%, and others constitute 6.4% of the revenue share and 5.2% of the profit share. This is the graphic distribution of Reliance Industries profit share, the pie chart. Oil and petrochemicals 59, retail 11, digital 25, others 5%. One interesting thing to note about Reliance Industries is it's a diversified company by itself. The divisions in Reliance Industries are oil, refining and petrochemicals constitutes oil refinery, petrochemicals, hydrocarbons. The retail division holds Reliance Fresh, Reliance Trends, Reliance Jewels, Reliance Footprint, Reliance Digital, JioMart. Coming to digital services, Jio, home, broadband, TV and telecom business, and others are Reliance Logistics, Reliance Life Sciences, Reliance Solar, Network 18 Media and Colors, CNBC TV 18 and ETV Network. Reliance retail stores, the details are number of stores 12,200, number of cities and towns 7,000. Reliance Industries is already in the process of demerging its oil and petrochemicals business and plans to make it a separate company. In other words, I don't know how many of you heard me correctly, Reliance is going to demerge and make separate companies out of these four, maybe three, and each one of them may be making their own IPOs and coming into market as a separate entity and separate profit head. There's a good chance that in the future Reliance Industries will launch the IPOs of Reliance Jio, Reliance Retail. They will be separate listed companies and subsidiary companies of Reliance Industries. So as of now, this is a positive news for Reliance Industries in the long term. 4 years back, Reliance Jio entered the telecom sector, and we all know the story, and brought about massive changes in the telecom industry. It first provided free connections and also did not charge for its services for many months. Later, once it got a large number of customers, it started charging a reasonable amount of money and started making profits. Today, it has a maximum number of mobile connections in India and is around 35% of market share. Similarly, it is now trying to make significant changes in the retail sector. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe and press the bell icon so that the video notification will come directly to your mobile. If you like the video, press the like button. In case you find the matter very interesting, you can type interesting in the comment section. Send this video to large number of your friends so that they too will start taking Reliance in their portfolio of stocks in the future. India's grocery market is worth around 44 lakh crores and is expected to grow to around 52 lakh crores in the next 3 years. To capture the market as much as possible, Reliance Retail has started introducing their own brands and selling them next to the products of Nestle, HUL, Coca-Cola, etc. For example, product noodles, Snack Tack is a Reliance name, competing brand is Maggi. Cola drink, and Reliance calls them as Ya Cola, and competing brand is Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Reliance Retail Snack Tack is priced 18% lower than Maggi. Similarly, its cola drink is priced at half the price of Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Reliance is using similar packaging as the established products. This is a picture of Ya Cola, and also you can see the other brands likewise. Reliance is not only selling its own products in Reliance retail stores, it is also distributing them through Kirana stores all over the country. Currently, 80% of India's groceries is bought from Kirana stores or neighborhood shops. Reliance Retail is also waiting for approval from the government authorities to buy future retail Big Bazaar stores. This will give Reliance access to total of 2,100 stores to sell its products. Normally, companies such as Nestle, HUL, ITC offer margins of 10 to 12% on their products, but Reliance is offering up to 20% margins to attract distributors and shopkeepers to sell its products. Although it may not be very easy to beat the popular brands such as Maggi, Coca-Cola, etc., Reliance is trying its best to gain some market share from these established brands. We will need to see what happens in the next 1 to 2 years. Now coming to the fundamental analysis of Reliance Industries. 52 weeks high, rupees 2,369. 52 weeks low, rupees 1,010. Current price 2,029. Market cap rupees 13 lakhs 7,900 crores. Largest company by market capitalization in India is Reliance. To give an example for an investor, 1 year returns in Reliance Industries 99%, 5-year returns 31.40 CAGR, 20 years returns 16.48 CAGR. Now I am summarizing and telling you why you should be purchasing Reliance on a regular basis for long term. Reliance Industries is likely to be a big winner in the future. For a long-term investor, it could be one of the prominent stocks in their portfolio of 10 stocks. The best way to invest is to purchase regularly on a monthly basis like SEP, and SEP stands for Systematic Equity Plan. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.